children. So here it's a continuation of the same chapter, chapter number 9, India location and physiography. So in the previous class I had already explained you about the location and the extent of India. So today we are going to see, or you are going to learn about the physiography division. So India is divided into 6 physiography divisions. So they are Northern Mountain, number 1, number 2 Northern Plains, number 3 Peninsula Plateau, and number 4 Thar Desert, Coastal Plains and the Highlands. So these are the 6 physiography division of India. So let's see one by one. First one, Northern Mountain. So we call them as the Himalayas. I think you must have heard about Himalayas, isn't it? So you can refer your textbook for the features on page 85. So they are the world's longest and the highest mountain chain. World's longest and the highest mountain chain. Now let us see the length. They are 2,400 kilometer long, and in width they are just 150 kilometer to 400 kilometer. So please remember the length and the breadth of the Himalayas. Okay. And now what type of mountain chain are these Himalayas or the Northern Mountain? They are young full mountain. And these Himalayas or Northern Mountain, they are divided into 3 parallel ranges. They are known as the Greater Himalaya, which we call it as Himadri. Then we have the Middle Himalaya, we call as the Himachal. And the third one is the Lower Himalaya, which we call it as a Shivali. So therefore, the Himalayas, or you can say this Northern Mountain chain, they are divided into 3 parallel ranges known as the Himadri, Himachal and Shivali. So the second one is the Northern Plains. So these Northern Plains are located to the south of the mountain, that's a Northern Mountain, or we can say they are located at along the foothills of the Himalayas, stretching from in the west, that's from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Okay, Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. And these Northern Plain, they are the most fertile region in our country. They are the most fertile region, therefore they are densely populated. Okay, it has like the density of population is more in Northern Plain because of all the facilities. One point, it is the fertile land, it has a fertile soil because it is drained by many rivers, and secondly because of the flat land, the construction, okay, the construction of road, railways, industry, or they can say the industrialization, urbanization, these all are very easier. Okay, and these Northern Plains is drained by 3 rivers. So they are the Indus, the Ganges and the Brahmaputra along with their tributaries. Okay, so therefore this is about the Northern Plains. Now let us move on to the Peninsula Plateau. So since this Peninsula Plateau is located in the southern part of India, and that's why we call it as a Southern Plateau also. It's located between, it's triangular in shape. Okay, it's located between the Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat. So we have the 2 sides, the water body, you know, the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and below we have the Indian Ocean. So it's what in shape? It's triangular in shape. And this Peninsula Plateau is one of the oldest landform. Okay, it's one of the oldest land on the earth. Okay, oldest land on the earth. And it is a volcanic origin. It has a rich, the fertile black soil. Okay, it has black soil. And it is often like the storehouse of some of the important minerals of our country. So now let's see Thar Desert. So Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert, and it is located in the northwest of the Aravalli range or Aravalli hill, mostly in the state of Rajasthan. And it is the 9th largest desert in the world, which is partly rocky and partly sandy in nature. And sometimes this particular desert, okay, is drained by a river Luni, though it is seasonal in nature. Okay, so let's move on to the coastal plains now. India has 2 coastal plains, Eastern Coastal Plain and Western Coastal Plain. So Eastern Coastal Plain and the Western Coastal Plain, they are parallel to the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Then we have last one, the islands. So India has two group of island. That's Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is over the Bay of Bengal, and another group of island, that is Lakshadweep Island. So these are the different physiographic division of India.